Hello friends, welcome once again to Rick's Garage. Today's video is about organizing your combination wrenches using the Kobalt toolbox liner. Those of you that are familiar with my channel know that I'm recently retired. At the shop where I worked, I was responsible for training a lot of the young people. Nothing is more important than keeping your tools well organized. I've seen it time and time again, young people spending more time looking for their tools than actually working. The nice thing about these Kobalt draw liners is they're semi-tacky, so they do a really nice job of holding your wrenches in place. Makes it very easy to keep them organized. What you see here is a drawer I lined a number of years ago, and you can see how nicely it holds my wrenches in place. It's been probably 4 years and it's still not allowing them to slip around, even though I rapidly open and close the drawer. This is a toolbox I recently brought back to my home garage after my retirement. What you see in this drawer is a new set of wrenches I recently purchased. They're long reach combination wrenches, and without the draw liner, you can see they're quite haphazardly strewn about in the drawer. And as you open and close the drawer, they slide around. It's impossible to keep them organized, and equally as difficult to put your hand on a particular size when you're working. In today's video, we're going to put one of the Kobalt draw liners in this particular drawer and let you see the difference for yourself. The first thing I'm going to do is naturally pull the wrenches out of the drawer so we can get to work. Next, I'm going to take an air hose and blow out any crap that's in there. Now I'm going to take a clean rag and wipe down the drawer with alcohol. Next, we're going to go ahead and measure the drawer. Take about a half an inch away from each measurement. This will allow the liner to fit quite nicely and you won't have to struggle with it. The drawer we measured was 23 inches by 16.5. So that means we want to cut our liner to 22.5 inches by 16. Now it just so happens that the roll is already 22.5, so all we have to do is cut off the 16 inches. I'm now working outside on my outside bench. The only reason for this is this bench has a surface I don't care if I mark up with my cutter. If you're working on a surface you care about, you might want to put down a piece of cardboard. Carefully square up the 16 inches using some sort of straight edge. Then with a case cutter and a sharp blade, go ahead and zip it off. Now that we're back in the garage, place the liner that you just cut in the drawer. If you did indeed subtract that half an inch like I suggested, it should fit quite nicely. Now that you've got the liner situated in the drawer the way you want, fold it over so half of the back is exposed and spray on some contact adhesive. After spraying on the adhesive, fold it back over and press it down with your hand. There should not be any bubbles doing it in this manner. Then fold over the other half and repeat the procedure. The reason for the adhesive is Although the liner does a nice job of gripping your wrenches, over time the liner itself can slide a little bit. So this adhesive will keep it in place. Now you can start placing your wrenches in the drawer. I'll finish this off camera. Okay, now that I've placed all my wrenches in the drawer, you can watch as I open and close it rapidly. You can see that the wrenches are going to stay in place. It's so much nicer to work with your tools well organized and right at your fingertips. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.